how to add a color to your text in Photoshop. So let's get started. So if you also want to add a text color inside your existing text on Photoshop, here's what you need to do. So first simply open up your Photoshop application and just press T on your keyboard, or you can also tap on this T button icon over here and simply type in any word. So let's say I want to type hello world, just like this, and simply highlight the text which you want to color and simply head over to the top right, that is color picker option. Simply select it, and once you select it, you can basically choose it from any of the color you want to put in the text, just like this. And once you're satisfied, you can simply click on OK to save the changes. And another way that you can also change the color is simply highlight the text once again, just like this, and you can simply head over to this layer section, and as you can see at the right, you can basically choose from different colors from the right as well. As you can see, there is also similar color icon or color picker, and just choose from any of the color you want and simply click on OK, and just like that you have done it, guys. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.